Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use Sephora Referral program. So if you want to use the referral program for Sephora, open the Sephora app, and you must be an active Beauty Insider or Beauty Pass member. In some reason, you may need to register specifically on a campaign page as well. After which, or once generated, Sephora will typically email you a unique promo code or referral link within an hour, and you just have to make sure to send your link or a code to a friend who has never made a purchase at Sephora online or in store. After your friends make their first online purchase using the code, you will receive a reward. A common reward include 100 plus beauty pass point or entry into a top refer leaderboard for a larger prize like gift cards or goodies bag as well. So this is how you will be able to use the Sephora referral program. As mentioned earlier, in some reason you might have to be a Sephora star, or you might have to be a Beauty Insider or Beauty Pass member as well. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.